Today I like to show you this beautiful Phalaenopsis cascading centerpiece arrangement for any wedding. You can use different pedestal. You can use this actually for wedding any area you like. It's so beautiful. It's cascading large Phalaenopsis, white Phalaenopsis with white hydrangea. Let's do it together. Okay, let's get started creating structures of our design. I use 2 foam in large number 9 Lumi dish, and I put it on top of this heavy, nice vase just to hold it for me, to make sure I am creating our structures and line. I start with beautiful hydrangeas, white. I usually, when I get my hydrangea, I try to enjoy the beauty of it, look at it, cut desired size above the knot. Always cut above the knot, because this way you can see what exactly do you need. Also, as well as how they can absorb more water and mineral from water. I have one more again. Enjoy beauty of it. Fresh cut always. Purpose is to cover this line and then go on top above the knot again. If you remember in centerpiece, last centerpieces that we did, we create almost same shape structures of our design, but height was higher, so we did big. In this one, because we are going to have cascading orchid, we don't have to do that large. So we will creating dome shape as well. Hydrangeas prepared and ready. So you see it's cover some areas and more. So we are going round all around. Broken one, but I will use it. I don't destroy any of the flowers. I try to use as much as possible. Again. That's beautiful. Okay. I'm gonna bring our beautiful cascading orchid. Phalaenopsis, white Phalaenopsis orchid. I like to hang all of this in between all these flowers. One by one, make sure they are not tangled to each other. Look how gorgeous they are. Always above the knot, so I can cut from here or here. If I cut from here, I have more room to hang this, which is a lot better. Sometimes you can cut it in 2 pieces. You can go from here. I like to show beauty of the length of this. They stay nice and solid. Okay, so we will cut again. Make sure this one goes on top of first line, and you repeat all lines now everywhere, every corner. And you put some on top. Make sure it doesn't cover the other one. Hangs very nice. They are very heavy, so make sure they stay solid because they are very heavy. That's why I create those hydrangea under, that they hold this weight. I bring nice tall. This arrangement has to go on tall container. Just for construction, I put it in here. Very slow, it's very heavy, but I'm sure I am strong enough to do this. I'm gonna move this and maybe go around, and it's ready. Okay, this is our finished product. As you saw, hanging nice, beautiful Phalaenopsis. If you like to learn more about this design, please check our website, minadesignschool.com, or please subscribe in this channel.